How to verify Cash App Bitcoin. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can verify Cash App Bitcoin, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To verify Cash App on Bitcoin, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch Cash App. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then just go to the home tab from the bottom left of the screen and you will see this type of interface where you'll find the Bitcoin option from the top. The very first thing you have to understand is that you are not verifying Bitcoin. You have to verify your Cash App account to enable Bitcoin and cryptocurrency transactions. And to do that, whenever you're trying to buy a Bitcoin, or maybe you're trying to deposit a Bitcoin, let's say for example, if you're trying to buy a Bitcoin, you try to buy a certain amount of Bitcoin over here, it will ask you to verify your identity. So make sure you fill in those details. So you can try to enter your legal phone number, the legal name as on the document. Also make sure to submit your document. The verification process will take some time. After you do that, Bitcoin will get successfully verified. This way you can verify Cash App on Bitcoin. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.